Hi children. Last week we have started the chapter statistics. Okay. Here first we studied the mainly statistics. This chapter it is like analysis only. Okay. It is a start here. Central tendency is there. Central tendency is a statistical measure that identifies a single value as representative of the center of a data set. Here three measures are there. One is mean, that is the average. Median, middle value. Mode, the number that appears most often in a data set. Okay. Now, grouped data you already studied in last day. These into categories or class interval. Data organized into categories or class interval. Frequency is the number of time a particular observation occurs. Class interval means we already know that is like 25 to 30, 30 to 35. That is the class interval. Class width is upper class limit minus lower class limit. Mean I will discuss next page. Class mark or midpoint means class mark is upper class limit plus lower class limit by 2. So in here, first we are studying mean. Mean is the average. Now we have three methods. First is the direct. Second is assumed mean method. Third is the step deviation method. Direct method means that formula is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Sigma means summation, children. We will draw a table. In that fi xi column is there. So we will add all the elements. That is sigma fi xi. Sigma fi is the sum of the observation. This is sum of the fi into xi. Assumed mean method means here a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Step deviation means x bar is a plus sigma fi ui by fi into h, where h is the width. In this question, here a survey was conducted and it is like following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants. Children, where we can use the direct method, assumed mean method, step deviation method. Mostly the preferable one is the step deviation method. But if the values are small, then we can use the direct method. Here we have, here the values are very small, right children? So we will use the direct method. So what are the things we need? We need the first column as x, second column as fi, third is xi, that is the class mark, that is the middle value. Here 0 to 2, middle value 1, 2 to 4, 3. If you got this one, now here the difference is 2. So 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. You can write like that, but check that, okay? Sometimes this interval can vary. Then fi xi, 1 into 1, 2 into 3, 1 into 5, 5 into 7, 6 into 9, 2 into 11, 3 into 13. Now, sigma fi, children, normally it will be given in the question. Here 20 houses. So here sigma fi will be 20. Now you have to add this. When you add this, you will get 162. So x bar is what? Sigma fi xi by sigma fi. When you do the value, you will get the answer. Now, this question I use the, here they are saying appropriate method. Here the values are more. That means you can use the step deviation. Means calculation will be more. When the numbers are like higher numbers, so 2-digit numbers, okay, or 3-digit numbers. So you can use the step deviation method. So x, in this we have more column, but calculation is less. X, fi, xi. So step deviation method, our formula is this na, a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. That means I need a and h. So that a I will get here di xi minus a, xi minus a. So here I am doing one minus na. So here it will come as the plus. So I will take here a central value of xi as the a. That is the prefer. You can take any value, but the preferable is a. Okay, because then we will get a symmetry. Okay. So 510 minus a, xi minus a, 510 minus 550 minus 40, 530 minus 550 minus 20, 550 minus 550 0, 570 minus 550 20, 590 minus 550 40. Or if the above the 0 is minus na, that same will come and the denominator as negative, positive. ui is di by h. So here the bit is 20 na, so minus 40 by 20 minus 2, minus 1, 0, 20 by 1, 20, 40 by 2, 40 by 20, 20. Then FI Then add FI12, multiply children 12 into minus 2 minus 24, 14 into minus 1 minus 14, 6 into 1 6, 10 into 2 20. When you add this, what you will get children? This will be 24. First you do the upper part, that is upper 0. So this will be minus 38, this will be 26. Minus 38 plus 26 is minus 12. Then substitute the value. A is there, sigma Fi minus 12, sigma, here also sigma Fi is given as 50. So minus 12 by 50 into 20. So 550 minus 4.8, 545.2. So the mean daily wage is that you should write, okay? Now next. Here the question is you have to find the missing frequency. Missing frequency means how you can do children. Look, I am using step deviation method, okay? So 11 to 13, 13 to 15. So Fi is given, Xi is the middle value. Di is what? Xi minus A. Here A I am taking as 18. So 12 minus 18 minus 6 minus 4. 16 minus 18 minus 2. 0, 2, 4, 6. Here with this 2 now, so I have to divide Ui as Di by H. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Then I will do Fi Ui. Okay, so when you add this one, you will get minus 20 plus f. Here you will get 44f. Then x bar is given as 18. Look children, here the mean is given as 18. So 18 into equal to 18 plus fi ui minus 20 plus f into h is 2. This one, 18, 18 cancels, so 0. So this will come to this side as 0. Then that is minus 40 plus 2f. So 2f is 40, so f is equal to 20. Okay, now. Children, here may find the mean number. Which method is there? Actually, you have to use the step deviation method. This I am using means here I did the assumed mean method to understand what is assumed mean method. Okay, children. So here the problem is, look, here 50 to 52, then 53 to 55. So this data is not continuous. Okay, that means you have to minus 0.5 to the upper class limit plus 0.5 to the, sorry, minus 0.5 to the lower class limit and plus 0.5 to the upper class limit. Then Fi Xi. Here Di, you know now 57 you take as A, then 51 minus 57 minus 6 minus 3, 0, 3, 6. Then Fi Di. Do this one children, like 15 into minus 6, 110 into minus. So here our formula is a plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. When you substitute this, you will get the answer. Remaining all are like same method. Here you look children, here the value is small. Look, only one digit only is there. That means you can do the direct method. Okay. I hope this is clear children. If any doubt is there, please tell me. Okay children. Thank you.